Welcome, ready to unleash your creativity and edit videos like a pro, right from your computer. Let's get CapCut installed on your PC. Your first step is to open your web browser and visit the official CapCut website. A quick search for CapCut Download will get you there on their homepage. You'll spot a prominent download button, often near the CapCut logo, specifically for Windows. Go ahead and click that download button. This will initiate the download of the CapCut installer file, depending on your internet connection. This might take a few moments. Keep an eye on your browser's download bar or window to see the progress. Once the download is complete, navigate to the folder where your downloads are saved. You'll find the installer file, typically named something like CapCut Setup. Double-click this file to begin the installation process. The CapCut installer will launch. You might see a welcome screen or options to choose where to install the program for most users. The default settings are perfect, so simply click Start Installation. Now, CapCut is being installed on your PC. This usually takes just a minute or two. The progress bar will show you how far along the installation is. Just let it do its thing. With the installation complete, you'll see a confirmation message. You can usually choose to launch CapCut right away or just finish. The installer lets click Launch CapCut to open it for the first time. And there you have it. CapCut is now successfully installed on your PC. You're all set to dive in, explore its powerful features, and start creating some incredible videos. Happy editing!